Hello learners. In this session we will be learning about how to interpolate. So first we will try and understand what actually interpolate function do. This function is basically used to fill any values in the data frame or the series. But it is very powerful function to fill the missing values, okay? It uses various interpolation technique to fill the missing value rather than hard coding the value. Okay, so I hope this is clear. Now next, how to use it. Simple meaning is, instead of we calculating the mean, median, mode and deciding which one to go for, interpolate function do it for us. See how we do that. I am executing first line, that is I am trying to execute the import library. Then now we are creating the data frame. This is a data frame with some of the missing values, okay, non-NaN values. Now these are the values. Now how to do that? Let's interpolate the missing values using linear method. So this is first linear method. Using the linear method, this is the function that you have to use. This is the command. Try and understand it quite. df interpolate method is linear, limit direction is forward. I will show you the difference and then you will understand what I mean by forward and backward over here. To interpolate the missing value, okay? So this is clear. Data frame, we are applying it on df, that is a data frame. We are using function interpolate. We are passing on two parameters. The first one is method, that is linear method we are using, and limit direction forward. Now execute and check the output. What is the difference? See here we had 5 total missing values, okay, and if we wanted six total values. Now if we really wanted here to fill these values, we could have tried to find the mean, median and mode, but we use interpolation. Now these values, some around 5 values, 5 cells are being filled. As you can see here, this is 9.5, 4, 5, then this is 3, then this is 3 again. So this is the values are being filled here. So who has actually taken the decision whether to go for mean, median, mode? Seeing the description, this is interpolate function. But there is one problem. The problem is this interpolate function is taking the limit direction forward. And that's the reason it's not able to handle this particular value, that is NaN value. Now what we can do? We can use the other, see, one more example. In this example, so similarly in this example, again we have the data set, and in data set we have again the missing values. So there are actually 2 missing values now. Why only 2 missing values? Because we had all the values missing, but now we have used the limit direction backward and limit to 1 only. Now notice the fourth column, only 1 missing value has been filled. As we have limit to 1, we have used this as 1. The missing value in the last row could not get filled, as no row exists after that from which the value could be interpolated. So like this. Similarly, it happened with the forward also. See here with the forward, because we had no values before this particular one to give to this particular line, okay, and we were using the direction as forward, so that is why. But still we could find out other means to create this interpolation, and we could fill all other values. So to deal with this situation, what I did is, now we have just seen forward, backward both, no? Now once I use the forward, after that what I did is I stored back that change, and after that I use the backward, so that one missing value which was actually missing over here could also be treated.